Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a quick share of a shopping haul, another one, yes, from Country Craft Creations. I have been smitten by the Tim Holtz bug. Well, I've had his stuff before, but I needed some more, especially the Halloween. So I'm going to just go over this really quick because there's a lot here. I'm not going to open up packages or anything, but I wanted to share with you what I got. So I did get the Stress Spray Stain in the Lost Shadow. I hadn't gotten that before, and I really wanted this color. I think it'll be great for Halloween. I got the Eccentric Remnant Rubs. I just think there's some fun images in here that'd be great for some junk journaling or different things. These numbers for Halloween. So got that. I got the Distressed Lost Shadow. What is that? Glaze, embossing glaze. I think it's going to be fun. So I got that. The Glow in the Dark Grit Paste. This is another Halloween 2023 package that I didn't have yet. This is the papers, the backdrops. So they're a lot of fun for using for pages for your junk journals. And then this I love, Halloween's 2023 sticker book. You've got all these sayings. These are all stickers. She couldn't remember an abandoned house overlooked the city. It's got pictures and bats and some lace stickers, some ravens, some hats and skulls. I think this is just all going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to play with it. Also got the transparent things. These are butterflies, different things in this package, some moths and other images up in here. So I have not had this before. That looks like fun. And then I got a pack of the Shattered Windows. This is a clear acetate that have broken, that looks like windows. So that's a lot of fun. Can you see that through that glare? This one is the ephemera pack that says memoir. So there's a lot of different things in here, not necessarily just Halloween, but I can incorporate that some and also use it on other things. I also got the patchwork linen tape. Now this is not necessarily for Halloween. I've seen an idea of using this as the tabbed hinge. If you've seen tabbed album pages or tabbed hinges, I'm going to have a go at that at some point. And then I got two of the mixed media heavy stock tags, distress tags, so that's going to be fun. A few more things here. The collage tiles and the snippets, the number strips. So there's numbers and things in that, so that's a lot of fun. So that's my Tim Holtz stash that I got. And then I just couldn't resist because I saw the Simple Stories Halloween Fabulous collection. So I got the frames. May not use it this year, you never know. Maybe next year, we'll see. I got the journal bits. Oops, I'm on my phone, so I have to see where I'm at. The floral bits. Those are really pretty. Look at those pumpkins. The bits and pieces. Okay, so I also got 2 packs of the collection kit, which includes the stickers and all the papers that come in that. So there's the collection kit sticker sheet. So I got 2 packs because I want to make sure I have enough paper. And I love these images, especially these cats. And you've got the greens, so it's in the little ghost is a different, totally different color family for this. So check that out at countrycraftcreations.com if you're wanting a new Halloween collection. And then I couldn't resist the Simple Stories Vintage Dear Santa. I love the frames, so I've got the chipboard frames here. Tilt that so you can kind of see it. Love to make albums with the frames. I've done a tutorial with albums strictly using these frames. I may do a remake of it for Christmas with this paper. I don't know. I got the ephemera pack. I got the layered bits. Love those with the tickets and everything. So cute. I got the bits and pieces, of course. 2 of the sticker sheet. I'm gonna make sure I have enough. And then the papers, and I think I got 3 of most sheets because you just never can have enough. Take a look at the back on those 2. There's this one. Love that black on there. This is like stitched patchwork. And again, this is Simple Stories. Simple Vintage Dear Santa. That's pretty polka dot. The red plaid with the green. The next one is this nice journal looking with the birds and the holly and the snowflakes. That's perfect for a Christmas album. Love this green print with the red on the back. And I bought the single sheets to get the extra papers, but also I believe the collections were sold out unless she's restocked. So just check out your single sheets. I did just get one of the tags because I didn't feel like I needed a bunch of tags. I got 3 of this one because I love that background with the ornaments. And of course all your cut aparts. Check those out. Look at that pretty green on the back. Really pretty. There's your 4x6. Love that Santa. So cute, merry and bright. And it has the holly. And then I also got the like the candy cane gingham, which is red on the back, like that, like a solid. I kind of got a little music notes in there. So I got the red. I got the black. Called Lump of Coal Gingham. That's cute. Green is called Evergreen Gingham. And that is my shopping haul from Country Craft Creations. I got the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Dear Santas, the Simple Stories Fabulous goodies, and all this Tim Holtz that I hope to be playing with soon on some of this. So stay tuned for all that on my channel. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell when you do. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your shopping haul pleasure. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.